In this video, I am going to show you how to change the name of your website on Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to change its name. So to change the name of your Wix website, log into your Wix account. Now hover over the site for which you want to change the name and then click on select and edit site. Now from the top, click on this three dots button next to edit site button and then click on rename site. So this is the name of our website and this is the URL of our website. So to change the name of our website, we are going to paste our own name here. After that, to change the URL, we are going to enter our own URL here. After that, just click on save. And as you can see that our website name is now changed. Now if you want to use your own domain instead of the Wix free domain, then from here click on connect domain. Now from here you can search for your domain and after that you can purchase it from here. If you already have a domain, then from the top click on your account icon and then select domains. Now select connect the domain you already own, upgrade your account and add your domain name. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.